Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore 6 key lessons for achieving financial literacy. In a world driven by economic complexities, understanding these principles is crucial for financial well-being. Lesson 1: Budgeting Basics. Our first lesson revolves around budgeting. Establishing a solid budget helps you allocate funds wisely, track expenses, and ultimately gain control over your financial situation. Lesson 2: Importance of Emergency Funds. Lesson 2 emphasizes the significance of an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion ensures you're prepared for unexpected expenses, providing stability during tough times. Lesson 3: Understanding Credit. Credit plays a crucial role in personal finance. Lesson 3 delves into understanding credit scores, managing debts responsibly, and how these factors impact your financial health. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Lesson 4: Investing Wisely. Investing wisely is our fourth lesson. Whether in stocks, bonds, or real estate, understanding the basics of investing can help grow your wealth over time. Knowledge is key to making informed decisions. Lesson 5: Retirement Planning. Lesson 5 focuses on retirement planning. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. Learn about different retirement accounts, set financial goals, and create a roadmap for your golden years. Lesson 6: Financial Education is Ongoing. Our final lesson is a reminder that financial education is an ongoing process. Stay informed about market trends, new investment opportunities, and continuously seek ways to enhance your financial knowledge. In conclusion, mastering these 6 key lessons for financial literacy lays a strong foundation for a secure and prosperous financial future. Remember, it's not just about earning money, it's about making it work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards financial literacy. Until next time, stay financially empowered.